Pagbilang ko ng 3, magkakajowa ka. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ba't ka pa nandito? Nagtsatsaga ka talaga sa magkaka-love life ka ngayong February 14? Alam nyo, eto, may sasabihin ako sa inyo, makinig kayo. Alam nyo, if you're not ready for a relationship, it's okay. Okay lang naman talaga. Ikaw lang naman yung hindi okay. Huwag mong pilitin, hindi yan pinipilit. Hindi pinipilit yung manggang hilaw na maging hinog kagad-agad. At isa pa, huwag kang ma-pressure sa mga kaibigan mo na lagi ka na lang tinatanong, kailan ka magkakajowa, kailan ka magkaka-relationship. At the end of the day, ikaw din naman yung magdidesisyon yan. Ikaw din naman mismo yung papasok sa relationship, hindi yung mga kaibigan mo. Bakit? Kung makatukso sila sa'yo na single ka pa rin, sila ba yung babayad ng date mo? Sila ba yung haharap sa boyfriend or girlfriend mo kapag nag-away kayo? Wala din naman, di ba? Labas naman sila sa equation ng relationship nyo eh. So, huwag ma-pressure guys. Pressure is not a good foundation for a relationship. Para ka lang din nagluto ng noodles na hindi pa fully cooked sa microwave. Na yung standard time ng pagluto nyon is 3 minutes. Yung sa'yo 1 minute kinuha mo at kinain. Alam mo, there's a lot of things na pwede mo magawa as a single. Based on what I am doing right now. Because you have a lot of time to grow. You have a lot of time to mature as an individual. Mas mabuti na for now na wala muna kaysa mali. Kaysa mali yung decision mo. Kaysa mag-suffer ka sa consequences na ginawa mong decision. Alam mo, in a relationship, I think there is no proper or perfect template naman. Especially in dating and courtship, there's no proper template. Yung pwede lang natin madala dyan is our principle, is our moral values, and also our convictions na pwede nating magamit. And also, yung pwede nating madala dyan is yung lesson na na-learn natin from the past. Pwede nating ma-apply in the future or in our next relationship. Kasi sa totoo lang, being in a relationship doesn't guarantee you pure joy or doesn't guarantee you a genuine happiness. And also, don't depend your happiness and don't depend your identity to a person because madi-disappoint ka lang at the end. Pero yung pwede mo magawa is, kung naghahanap ka ng void in your heart, try to look it and try to ask it to someone who made you. Try mo tanungin yung creator mo. Try mo tanungin yung creator natin if what is our purpose. If why is it we are still single and why is it hindi pa ready yung heart natin for a relationship. So we should build our relationship first in our first love. Capital F, first love. And that is Jesus. Sa mga Christian na nanonood dito, alam niyo, palagi nyo ito naririnig eh. Be the right one first before you look for Mr. Right or Miss Right. Kasi marami tayong demands, marami tayong standards na ginagawa. Pero sa waiting season natin, wala naman tayong ginagawa for ourselves. Wala naman tayong ginagawa for our growth, no? It's so unfair na naghahanap tayo ng mataas na standard pero yung sarili natin, wala rin naman tayong ginagawa. So for now, I think seek first the kingdom of God and all these things shall be added